That's it. We've made it. Welcome to Cambodia. We are completely new to this country, so we have decided to take it on a completely new way. We've got ourselves a motorbike and we are having a road trip. We've arrived in Phnom Penh and we are in one of the world's coolest tuk-tuks. After our exciting ride in the tuk-tuk, we've just had it take us here, Nook Cafe, where they do the best ice cream we have ever tried. Come and check this out.
So here we have our very own plant pot.
Now how cool is that? It looks just like a plant with Oreo crumbs on the top and mint chocolate chip ice cream in the middle. Now I've enjoyed that delicious ice cream, we are on our way to check out, not so pleasant this time, the Killing Fields and the S21 prison. We've made it to the Killing Fields, also known as the Genocidal Centre. It's cost us $6 to get in and we've been given a set of headphones to listen to the audio on the way around, so we're going to have a listen as we go round. For anyone that is unsure about what happened in Cambodia, this is how it started. Between 1975 and 1979, 2 to 3 million people were sadly killed in Cambodia by the extreme communist group, the Khmer Rouge, who were led by the barbaric man Pol Pot. Okay, so we're just making our way around and it is actually quite horrific and brutal what actually went on here, and I've just been informed through the headset that this tree is called a sugar palm tree, and you can see the long spiky leaves and stems. They were actually used to slit people's throats because they are so sharp, and you can see some of the carvings on the tree where someone has hit the tree with these stems and it's sliced through it. It's actually quite horrific what actually went on here not that many years ago, to be honest. This was a mass grave. Over 450 bodies were found in this hole. There are over 300 killing fields all over Cambodia, and it is so hard to believe that 1 out of every 4 people were brutally murdered. Still today you can walk the grounds and find random pieces of bone fragment just poking up through the ground. Even more appear every day after it's been raining. Once a month the local people come together, go round and collect the bones and put them away in storage. We'll never fully understand what actually really went on here. It is terrible, absolutely awful what these local Cambodian people had to go through, and it's quite remarkable to think that some of them are actually still alive now and they're not actually that old and they've had to live through that traumatic experience. I don't think I could have dealt with it. It's really saddening just to walk around here and listen to this audio tape explain everything in such detail.
So I hope I've managed to put as much information in here as possible. I've not put everything in here because I don't want to take it away from the place and the people, and you really need to come here to experience it and just listen to the audio book. It's not expensive at all, it's $6, so if you come into Cambodia, make sure you come check it out.
We spent the day actually quite deep in thought, that we knew we had to turn it around and bring back some more positivity.
We are leaving Phnom Penh today on a motorbike that we have rented. It is getting delivered to our hotel later on, and we are going to get it then, and then we are going to start our road trip around Cambodia.
We're gonna do a victory lap with Victory the motorbike.
We collected Victory, stopped to get fuel, and then hit the road. Ever heard of an Irrawaddy dolphin? Neither had we. So let's go find some.
So we're passing through all these beautiful small little villages, and these kids, bless them, we've just got the drone out and they're like, whoa, what is this? So here they are. They look scared now, they don't want to do anything. Whoa. Thanks, dude.
We drove for miles and miles and miles until the sun started to go down. We got some food and fueled up, ready for the next day, the final leg to find the dolphins.
It's 36-degree heat right now, and he's in a jacket, and he's even said, oh, I'm considering getting the gloves too. ...268 kilometers later and 2 numb bums, we have made it.
After many hours on the road, me and Charlene are exhausted, but we've finally arrived here at the side of the Mekong River, where we are hopefully going to see some dolphins. Heading down the steps to the boat. Now, they're a lot bigger than we thought. We thought there was going to be these small little narrow boats, but don't get me wrong, they are small, but they're not as small as we thought they were going to be. It's quite cool. Put my bag down here. We've finally set off on our mission to find the Irrawaddy dolphin. I saw one pop up, but it's disappeared again, so hopefully we see it again. We've found them.
We got the drone out for a better view, if we can find them. I'd call that a success. The Cambodian Captain Jack Sparrow sailed us back to shore, where we got back on our motorbike and headed north to the Cambodian border for the next surprise.
stopped off for yet again another coconut stop. It's much needed. It is so hot out here now, and in this I am sweating. It's like wearing a bin bag all day, and it must be about 37, 38 degrees, and it is killing me.
.5 kilometers later, here we are.
We are at the top of the waterfall, at the very top. It is a big one, just clambering across the rocks. I think this is as far as I can get on these rocks and as close to it without getting washed down. But first things first, we've just got here and we're going to sit down and stick our toes in because our feet are burning from being on that bike for all these miles. Me and Char could sit here all day and just listen to this very therapeutic waterfall sound. It never gets old. This is such a stunning waterfall. And technically we are almost kind of in Laos right now, as the border runs directly almost where that rock is and goes straight across. So we're kind of in Cambodia and kind of in Laos at the same time, because that's how far we've travelled, all the way up to the top. But this trip has definitely been worth it.